Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. So for this design, I definitely went kind of like with a dreamcatcher motif, and that really fit the phrase linguistically because we have the same small word starting each sentence, do it. So this here is the word do. It's got 1, 2, 3 dots on a deep divot, and then a little guy in O, which would be inside the word circle, and that currently showing a D with an O attached. This is the O unattached. So when you wrap this up in a circle, it becomes like this. So here's the word do, do, do. And we have this little marker here at the beginning of each of those, and that's the start and orientation marker, showing that there is in fact 3 sentences that start. One that starts here, one that starts here, and one that starts here. So, then we have the word it. An I is another little guy. These little guys are all vowels, and an I has a line going inwards towards the middle of the word circle, which is what all 3 of these guys do, and then we have that shallow divot making the T. So there's it, it. And then we have these words. So here we have scared, weird, and alone. And there's a period on the sentence between each of these. So do it scared, period. Do it weird, period. And do it alone, period. And as far as translating these guys, an S is a shallow divot, like a bite out of a cookie, just like a T, with 1, 2, 3 lines. So these 3 lines are on the S. And yes, this here is off-centered. It's scotched a little bit to that side, so I have room for the A here, which is outside the word circle. So we have the K with this is a C with 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots closest to it. Even though these dots are all in one big equidistant circle, if we look at the dots in the closest viable letter stems, these 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, are all closer to here than to any other stem, and this one has lines on it, so nothing can be a dot that counts towards this circle because it's got lines on it, 1, 2, 3 lines because it's the S. And this R has 1, 2, 3 dots that are closer to it, and then last but not least we have the D with 1, 2, 3 dots. So here's the E, here's the A, so S-C-A-R-E-D, so scared. Weird, we have a shallow divot with 1, 2 lines, so similar to the S with 3 lines, but only 2 lines on the W. E is inside that letter stem, so right now it's showing it unattached. There's it attached. I has a line going inwards, R has 3 dots, and D has 3 dots, just like the R and D in scared. And then alone, we have an A. Then we continue around till we hit the L with 3 dots, the O inside the word circle, and then last but not least, we have the N with the E inside. So N has 1 line modifier, and there's the E and then the N. So yeah. Do it scared. Do it alone. Do it weird. So yeah, that's that design. I hope you like it. I think it'll make for an awesome back tattoo. Thanks.